Dear viewers, in this video, we will see how to create an EBS volume in Amazon Web Services, how to attach it to a running instance, how to make it usable, and how to create a snapshot from that. In the next part of the video, we will see how to detach the instance, how to attach it into another instance, and how to delete the instance. To create an EBS volume, first we need to go into the EC2 dashboard. Here it shows the list of instances. We already have one instance, TTG01 running. We need to create the volumes from this volumes link. We need to create this volume in the instance availability zone to which we need to attach. So I'm going to create a volume and attach it to the instance TTG01. So we need to know the availability zone of this instance. You can see that in the networking tab. Here is the availability zone. So it's in US-East-2C. So I have to create the volume in this availability zone. So I will go to the volumes link now. Here I will click on the create volume. So the already existing volume is the root volume, default root volume of the instance, which is already running. We can create a new volume. We can leave this volume type as a general purpose. You have to reduce the size to 5 GB since we are using a free tier. We can leave the remaining parameters as it is except the availability zone. We have to create it in US-East-2C. So we have to click on the create volume now. So now this volume is creation in progress. Volume status is okay. So now this will be available. So we can attach it to the already running EC2 instance. Click here on the actions. Click on attach volume. So it is in availability zone US-East-2Z. If you click on the drop down here, it will list out all the instances which are running in that availability zone. So we have this TTG01 instance running. I'll click on this and then attach volume. So now the attaching will be in progress. So the volume state will change to in use. Yeah, now it is already in use and it is attaching. We can see that from the instances, volumes attached. You can click on the storage. So here we have this volume is what we have created now. So this is how we need to create a volume and attach it to an EC2 instance. Now let us see how to access this volume and make it usable for storing data. For this, we need to connect to the EC2 instance using SSH. I have already connected to the EC2 instance. We can run the command ls-blk-f to get the disk and partition details. So if you can see here, these two are the name of the disks available. XVDA, that is the root volume that is mounted to the root. X3DF is the newly created volume. It have no other details. So if you see here, this is the partition created in the root volume. It has a FS type, that is the file system type attached, and it has a root volume. Now we have to create a file system for this newly created EBS volume and create a mount point. So to create a file system, we need to run the command sudo mkfs -t followed by xfs, the file system name, slash dev slash xvdf. So then a file system is created. We can see that by running the lsblk-f command again. So if you see here, the file system is now available, xfs. So the next part is to mount this data volume. So for that, first we need to create a mount point. So we'll create a directory ttg mount, make this as a mount point. Now for mounting that, we have to give the command mount slash dev slash xvdf into the ttg mount folder which was created just now. Okay, you have to run it using sudo. So the mount point is created now. We can navigate to this directory, which means now we are inside the EBS volume. Here we can create the files and see that after detaching the volume. So for now I'm creating a file snapshot 01, a simple text file. I'm saving this file. Okay, so now we will see how to create a snapshot. We have created a file in this EBS volume. If you create a snapshot at this point, it will have the snapshot 01 file in that snapshot. We have to go to the volumes. So this is our volume which we have created. We can click on this, and in the actions there's an option to create snapshot. So we'll create the snapshot here. We'll give the description as snap 01. TTE, create snapshot. So now the snapshot is created. We can check that in the snapshots link. So the creation is in progress. Now the snapshot creation is completed. In our next video, we can see how to detach an EBS volume from a running EC2 instance, how to attach it to another EC2 instance, how to delete an EBS volume, how to create a volume from a snapshot.